How to fix Doordash address or location. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you have entered the wrong Doordash address or location, then in this video I will guide you how you can fix that. The first step is to open up any web browser and head over to doordash.com. Once you're here, make sure to sign into your account. Now, at the top, you can find your current Doordash address or location. If you have entered this incorrect and you want to change that or fix that, you simply want to click on the drop-down menu. Now on the search bar, you want to search for the correct address. Once you have found your address, click on it. Check if this is the correct address. If it is not accurate, click on the Adjust Pin option. And now from this map, you can pinpoint your exact location. You have this home icon. You want to put it on the exact location. Now, click on the Save option. Now it will take some time, and after that your new location will be updated. Check if this is the correct location. If it is not, you can again change it by following the same step, and this is how you can fix Doordash address or location. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.